Welcome to the EvoFox Katana S Mini, the ultra-compact, fully customizable mechanical keyboard designed for gaming, productivity, and seamless multi-device connectivity. What we will cover in this video. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to get started, from what's inside the box and connecting to multiple devices, to customizing your lighting, using multimedia shortcuts, and swapping out switches. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your Katana S Mini. Let's open up the EvoFox Katana S Mini and see what you get inside. In the box, you'll find the sleek and compact Katana S Mini mechanical keyboard, designed for precision and portability. It comes with a premium Type-C braided cable for charging and wired connectivity, a key puller for easy keycap and switch replacement, 4 additional red switches for quick swaps or customization, and a quick start guide to get you up and running in no time. Everything you need to unleash the full potential of this keyboard right out of the box. The EvoFox Katana S Mini is built for precision gaming and seamless productivity. Its compact 68-key layout saves space without compromising on performance. The double injection keycaps are durable and crisp, complemented by smooth, silent red mechanical switches that deliver a lightning-fast 1000 Hz polling rate along with N-key rollover for precision input. The EvoFox Katana S Mini comes to life with vivid and dynamic backlighting, putting complete control right at your fingertips. Quickly cycle through a range of beautiful lighting modes to find the one that suits your style. Adjust the brightness levels to match your space, making it brighter for a bold, eye-catching glow, or dimming it down for a softer, more subtle effect. You can also control the speed of the lighting effects, making them shift and flow quickly for an energetic vibe, or slow down for a more relaxed, ambient feel. And when you want to focus, you can switch the lighting off completely. It's all in your hands. If you ever want to restore the keyboard to its original settings, simply press FN plus Escape. This will reset the keyboard to its factory defaults. Now, let's take a closer look at one of the best features of the EvoFox Katana S Mini: its customizable switch design. This keyboard is built with 3-pin replaceable switches, making it incredibly easy to maintain, upgrade, or personalize to suit your style. To replace a switch, first unplug the keyboard to ensure it's completely powered down. Begin by using the keycap puller tool to remove the keycap from the switch you want to change. Once the keycap is off, flip the tool to its switch puller side and gently remove the switch itself. Now insert the new 3-pin switch, making sure it's aligned properly, and press it into place. Finish by putting the keycap back on, and you're done. It's a quick, simple process that gives you the freedom to customize your keyboard as you see fit. With its precision engineering, premium build quality, and seamless connectivity across 5 devices, the EvoFox Katana S Mini is more than just a keyboard. It's a compact powerhouse built for gamers, creators, and multi-device warriors alike. Thanks for watching.